Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to manage dual SIM card in your Lenovo K13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K13 and you are wondering how to manage SIM card. We all know in Lenovo K13 there is support dual SIM card. We all know that dual SIM card kind of make you confused. You might be decide to let it from SIM 1 turn on data or let's from SIM 2 turn off data or etc. setup. So in order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you need to click here network and internet. After click over network and internet, we're going to find here SIM card. After click over SIM card, we're going to see here there is SIM 1 slot and SIM 2 slot. Both are turned on. Now you might be decide to let's use mobile data from SIM 2 and let's allow all incoming call come from like whenever you're going to call, let's all phone calls come from SIM 1 and send a SMS by default you can choose. So in this way you can easily customize SIM manager in your Lenovo K13. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.